Bookmark in Power BI enables users to save a particular view of a report page. This ability is extremely useful in enhancing the user experience of navigating a report or opening opportunities to add more depth to a report. So we can navigate through navigation menus, we can create filter panes, we can swap visuals and context, and we can use page overlays through bookmarks. So bookmark pane, how you can see this? So we can see it here in view menu. We can see the bookmark pane and we can see it here. This is what here we can see all the bookmarks. So let's see how we can create it and add a new bookmark. So for the bookmarks, what we will do, we will create a filter pane here. Like we can open all these filters from that pane and that we can hide it. Means so that we can save this area where all the filter or slicers are applied. So let's see how we can create that. So go to insert, create a shape here. Like this we will create a shape. Okay. So this is how this the left panel is created. We can create some icons. On clicking of those icons we can open this filter pane or a home button. So let's create some buttons, or we can do create some images. So we have already downloaded the icons for this. So let's see. This is a filter icon. So filter icon is this one. We can create one more icon like home button. Icons you can already decide means which one image you need to download it and paste it here. So this is your home button and this is your filter button, we can say. So currently it is an image, but we will create it like a button. So what we will do, we will design a filter pane here. So we again select one text, this shape, rectangle shape. We can change the color as well for this shape. This one is fine. Yeah, fine. So what we will do, keep this on the top of this, all these filters. So currently this is on top. So what we will do, we will go to format, send it backward. Now our one slicer is left here. So how we can identify that, means where is that slicer? We go to selection, slicer, this one is this one, where it is, this one. We identified where is that slicer, and this one we can keep it in behind of this filter pane. So send backward. This one also we can send backward. So now it looks like a better. We can do some more formatting here. Now it's better. For these slicers we can give this one different views, like vertical list between we can give for the years. So we can drag it. So like this we can use. So this is basically our open filter, means because filters are open here. So what we will do, we will save this as a current state. So we go to bookmark, we can click on add. So this one is bookmark one. We can update the name, like rename it from here, or we can double click on this one and we can save it like open filter, because filter is already open. That's why we save it like this. So this is saved now. Now what we will do, we'll add one more bookmark when this one is closed. So one more thing, we can create one close button here as well. So what we will do, we will just download a close button. We can save this image. Now we go to our report now. We can insert that image. We have to do some more thing, like we have to crop this one. So that cropping thing you can already do at your own. So I will not waste time here in cropping this image. So for now I will use like this only. This is fine. This is for open filter. So we can see in the selections, we can group all these things together. Where is this one? This one. So all these three images on the top. This one is this shape. Where are slicers? Slicers will also come on the top. This is the third slicer. See, it came. Now what we will do, we'll group all these things by select. What else left? So we can group all these things. Filter. But we should not group this one, because this one will also be hidden. If I click on this one, then all area will be left. So we need this left pane. So what we will do here, we can select this shape, this one. This is left pane. We can move it out of this group. This is moved. Now these two images also we need to move. So where is that image? This one. And the another one. This one. So now when we can hide this one, you can see the filter pane is hidden. Right, so you can see means what you need to hide and what you need to view. So when we hide this one, then this we call it as a close filter. So we can add this stage as well, like close filter. So when we click on open filter, this is your open filter basically. So when we click on this button, so just close this one, then we can see this will be calling it here action. Go to bookmarks. This will be for open filter, this button. And now this button will be for close filter. now we have added close filter here. So when we click on this, filter is closed. When we click on this, filter is open. So like this we can do. Click on here, it is closed. Click on here, it is open. So this is how we can create different bookmarks. And one more thing, when you click on this one, means it will call you for this summary page, you can say. So this one as well we can do. Like when we format image, you can click on action here, you can select the pages where you want to navigate it. So destination you can select here, as we cannot select summary page because this is already on summary page, so we can select other pages. So here you can select those pages and click the navigation. So what we were trying to cover here, this filter menu, how we can create this filter using bookmarks. I hope you have understood all these bookmark options. We have some other bookmark options as well, like data, display, current page, all visuals, selected visuals. So this we can understand in later on more videos. So if you have any comments for this, you can just show me on those comment section. Thank you.